Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect MailChimp to your ManyChat account. Now, once you've logged into your ManyChat account and you are in your dashboard, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu here. Click on the settings icon over here like so. You're going to be seeing the settings menu, right? So here, you want to scroll down a bit to the bottom until you see extensions, right? Under extensions, you want to click integrations over here like so. And once you are here in integrations, there are several things that you can integrate or connect to. So TikTok, Flowdesk, Google Sheets. Scroll down until you see ManyChimp. 3, 2, 1. Here you're going to see a lot of things that you can connect to. So TikTok ads, Flowdesk, Google Sheets, etc. Scroll down until you see MailChimp, right? So we're going to scroll down until we see MailChimp. Scroll down. And as you can see, connect MailChimp account. So it says Pro. So that means to connect your MailChimp account here, you need to be subscribed to the Pro plan of ManyChat. So if I click this, as you can see, we cannot do that. But once you have Pro activated, it's very straightforward. It's just going to ask you for permission. You might need to verify, but it's very straightforward. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.